I suppose since we're all about to perish horribly, I should own up to a few things. First of all, Timmy Aberdeen, I'm the one who set your backpack on fire. I'm sorry you couldn't get it off in time. And Susie Binkleton, I was the one who put the Tyrannoid in your locker. Hey, I heard the therapy is going well, though. Chin up, kid. Finally to you, Juanita, my dear, sweet Juanita. I apologize for the last 6 years of rude jokes, harassing innuendo, and all those friendly little pinches in the elevator. But who are we kidding? You love it!
Can you pick up the pace, please? The station is seconds away from exploding. Ratchet. The containment fields are deactivated. The station is no longer on lockdown.
Good. Now get on a shuttle and get out of here.
Sorry, Ratchet. I am not leaving without you.
For the love of Blarg! Cut out the sappy melodrama before you lose my entire audience. I've been waiting for this moment for a long time. I'm gonna give Dreadzone fans the finale they've been waiting for. It's a little one-act play I call Death of the Lombax.
Hey, boss. Do you read Chaucer?
Parental discretion is strongly advised.
Like Vox has some tricks up his sleeve. This is gonna be one heck of a match.
Considering that we die if Team Darkstar loses, that's an understatement.
An understatement, an undergarment, the underworld of professional mustache twirling, whatever it is, it's hot!
Let's do another take. Put some feeling into it. Re-up your contract. Here, talk to my lawyers. I'll see you in the reruns. Nice shot, airball! Slip into something more comfortable. This year on Dreadzone, an audience favorite, the giant mech climactic battle. Here's a little something I whipped up for the after party.
I can't look! Is Team Darkstar dead? Dallas! What's happening? Janice, what are you doing?
Nothing, just keep your eyes closed. Go!
So, the audience wants a show? I'll give them a show. It's bomb time! Nobody saw that one coming. It's called a twist. Time for the season finale.